There is only one perfectly organized, detail-oriented, life-sustaining, creatively crafted, all beautiful light in existence. But if that is a great light, what can we consider a good light? How do we determine a good light? I started with comparison.
Why is brightness so crucial, besides the fact that darkness literally flees from light? It also delivers a versatility factor. The importance of brightness isn't to try to match the intensity of the sun, but to be able to put bounces and diffusions and all these different modifiers in front of our light. Although it creates a phenomenal look, it slowly but surely eliminates our lumens. So what does this mean? If we want to be able to create versatile lighting setups, we need enough brightness to have some room to play.
The sun has been around for thousands and thousands of years, and will probably be around for another...
I guess we won't know until we... Needless to say, the sun has been around for a very long time and is yet needed to be charged or tethered to an electrical outlet. This opens up a new aspect to what can make a good light. The versatility and portability of not having to be tethered or restrained to an electrical outlet is a key opportunity. Being able to put a light exactly where you want it can open up new opportunities for creativity and jumping over obstacles and hurdles that you couldn't do with a normal light. To discover our CRI is discovering how close our light represents natural light in terms of color. A good light is going to display its subjects in the same manner as a great light. Lights are found in many different locations, styles, and situations in our world. Our job as filmmakers is to replicate these lights in an enhanced way, or imagine a new natural source based off the experiences we've journeyed through. Finding a source that gives us the ability to create these numerous experiences can be included in the aspects of a good light. There's one more aspect that is a serious consideration when starting from the ground up. Price. Myron Golden explained it best. Spending your hard-earned money on an asset that will only bring you more money is the key to financial success. An asset is something you spend money on that will bring in more. Balancing the input and output of currency is important when it comes to growing as an entrepreneur. Assets can consist of gear, events for networking, and education for growing your creative and business skill sets. This experiment is constructed by the Archives, a faith-based educational platform focused on increasing your creative skill sets and business tactics to help you make a larger impact through content creation with courses, exclusive content, and editing assets. Assets are meant to require an investment upfront for a larger payout in the end. Finding the smallest initial payment for the largest back-end return is the ideal balance. So what good light exists that can be a valuable asset to your growth?
It's dangerous on the fast lane. What's to not go by like a freight train? Speeding light, on your offside. Watch the skeletons coming outside.
As creators, we often want to focus on the next big light or the latest expensive release, when maybe there's more value that can come from smaller price tags through creativity. The HB80C by Neewer is an 80-watt high-power mini RGB light. Compact shape, bicolor output, 2500 Kelvin to 7500 Kelvin, RGB output, green and magenta pushes, a CRI of 97. This light produces 3700 lux with the reflector 10,500 lux. The maximum battery life is 70 minutes at full power and 95 minutes in the unique mute mode. This light is versatile, high power, coming in at only $240. The Neewer HB80C is the perfect initial asset to put money down into for a higher value on the back end. and gives you the ability to be creative no matter what situation, what location, what stories to be told.